So this is just a test for people who want to film their kids' baseball games and have a little bit better audio. But man, it's freezing. Especially in the wind. You don't want to have your GoPro set up or your action camera set up and have the wind just howling into your mics. You want to try to address that. So this was the test. I came out here specifically to test the mics on a cold, windy day. But man, this is not baseball season in the Northeast. It's freezing out. Super windy, super cold. This audio is with the DJI Mic 2 wireless. You can see it attached to the brim of my hat. We're gonna go through like 3 different mics, test it in the wind. Alright, so now this audio is with the wireless mic attached to the expansion module, facing forward as if it were a shotgun mic. It's got the wind muff on. Here we are using the internal mics set to all mics, and wind noise reduction is on. Internal mic only. This is with the MKE 200 USB-C mic with the wind muff on. It's freezing out. Holy smokes, my hand. It's super windy. If you look at the tarp, you can see how windy it is. The tarp from the turtle that we put on halfway and stopped. The wind is picking up. Now this is the audio using the Sony vlogger mic with the wind muff on. Super windy. See how windy it is. How's that sound? This is the audio. This is the internal audio with just the front mics on. You can see it's still windy. The tarp is being blown up like a cape. This is with the internal audio set to front and back. Not all, but front and back, but with wind noise reduction on.